So when you're looking for the source of a rattle under your car, that could do it. So we are at the back side of the transmission, and there is a damper back here with this guard on it to protect it from the exhaust, and it's just riveted on, so it just comes loose. So I'm going to take it off here and see if we can't fix that. Just going to show you it fits on that stud, and where is it? There it is. There's the other location. So just the two bolts you have to take out, and you do have to loosen the header pipe there just so you can get enough room in here. So I've got it out. You can see there's two rivets here and two rivets here. So I am just gonna drill those out and put in some bolts and bolt that thing in. We'll get rid of this rattle. All right, I've got the rivets out. So the whole thing comes apart now. So there's just a couple of holes here and those holes there. And we're just gonna put some bolts on there, and that'll do it. I've got the bolts in there, and I used red thread locker to keep them in place. And they're just simple stainless steel bolts on both sides. And that should do it. That should keep it quiet from now on. So I'll go ahead and put this back on and be done with it. I just wanted to point out that if you do this, you do need to use these round-headed bolts rather than a hex head, because like that one there, I don't think a hex would fit in that little spot. So just something to be aware of.